I just finished up my refrigerator tour and now I'm going to give you a tour of my pantry. So the thing I was most excited about with having this huge pantry was honestly to have room to put all of the paper towels from Costco. So I love being able to just stack these up high. So let me show you how I organize my pantry and some of my favorite foods that are in it. So first off, I love these containers. They are so easy to open. You can do them one-handed. And it's nice to get rid of all the bag mess, and then you don't have the salt falling everywhere and all of that. So some of the items that we like to keep in stock are this Costco keto granola. And let me show you up here. I have an extra one. That's what it looks like. It's kind of expensive, but it is so good. And then we always have pretzel sticks, granola bars, the black chips with the flax seeds. And then we love the taro chips and the sweet potato chips. And salt and vinegar almonds are super yummy, and same with macadamia nuts. So I will link these containers, either the exact ones or similar, whatever I can find online for you. And then I also love to organize with these bins. So these are plastic bins, but they look like a basket weave design. And these are great for also emptying out the boxed granola bars. And then that way it takes up less room and you can see everything. These are some of my kids' favorites. Some of their other favorite snacks that I have back here are the white cheddar bunnies. We love the little mini crackers from Trader Joe's and the nut thins in different flavors. And then of course my kids, like I'm sure yours, are obsessed with mac and cheese. And we love the Annie's brand, the white cheddar. I always get them at Costco. And then for a healthier alternative to regular spaghetti is this edamame spaghetti. That's really good with scallops and lots of like butter and olive oil. And then of course we have lots of pastas. This is our favorite spaghetti sauce from Trader Joe's. And then if you haven't tried Glam Girls dips yet, make sure you check them out. I'll give you a swipe up link. They either get mixed with sour cream or mayonnaise or cream cheese, and you can make them into like a regular dip or into a cheese ball. And these are delicious and really great to have on hand. Let me see what I can show you in my canned goods. I think I showed you in my refrigerator tour that this is our favorite peanut butter. And if you haven't tried the Trader Joe's cookie butter spread, you are definitely missing out. And the Trader Joe's salsa verde is really good for chicken enchiladas. Let me see what else I can show you. This side of the closet is kind of a hot mess, but it does feel somewhat organized to me and it works. So I don't try to drive myself crazy with being perfect over here, but I do like to keep things categorized with, you know, paper plates and candles. It's really nice to have these big bins. I will find a link for you. So now I'm coming off the other side. Here are Glam Girls coffees. They are gourmet and delicious. They're not your average grocery store brand. They are so good. So I'll do a swipe up for those. A tip that I have for you is if you have decorations that you're not using in your kitchen or in your living room or wherever that could work in the pantry, instead of storing it, just set it up in your pantry and then your pantry looks cute too. And I also love these containers for my flour, sugar, powdered sugar, and brown sugar. I'll see if I can find a link for those also. On this side of the pantry, I have all of our cookbooks. And then I have a bin here just for loose recipes that I've saved over the years. And then we have sort of like our junk drawer over here. I prefer to have it in the pantry so that we can close this door out here. And we have like just plugs here for charging phones and iPads and all of that because I like having it in here better than like all over the kitchen island. And then of course we have our Roomba. That guy is awesome. Up here on this side, I just keep some of the cleaners that we use pretty often. And then I have a little chalkboard with our menu for the week so that everybody knows what we're having. And that is pretty much my pantry. So let me just walk out the other direction. Let me know if you have any questions. And I hope you enjoyed.